Hi everybody, welcome to today's tip for Cambridge first essay writing. I know some people have problems when they write, but I've got good news for you today. Writing for Cambridge first certificate, particularly the essay writing, is not impossible, it's not difficult. So in fact, I always say, please never use the word impossible. Well, we just have to learn some tips today. Tip number one for today is change your vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Change your vocabulary. Change means to alternate or to vary your vocabulary. For example, some people when they write, they like to use because all the time. If you have a look at this example, it says pollution is caused because people litter. So imagine if I were writing and I wrote in paragraph 1, I wrote because to give a reason. In paragraph 2, I wrote because again to give a reason. In paragraph 3, I wrote because again to give a reason. Of course, in this way, the examiner might not know how much vocabularies you have. And in actual fact, you may have more vocabularies to give a reason, but it's always important to show them when you write. Just like when you speak, if you ask me a question, I must be able to alternate my vocabulary. In this way, you understand that I have a wide range of vocabulary. And so, if you have a look at the second example, it says pollution is caused as people litter. This second example is similar to the first one, but the only thing I've done is to change because to as. And of course, in another paragraph, in this example again, it will be pollution is caused since people litter. Since, as, and because are used to give reason. So you don't have to use because all the time. And so a solution would be, in paragraph 1, use as. In paragraph 2, use because. In paragraph 3, use since. Before we go today, I'll give you another good example. For example, when some people have to buy a folder or folders to use at home, in their offices or at school, they prefer to buy the same color folder. This is perfect for your purpose. While we have some other people, when they have to buy folders, they change the colors and have different colors for their folders. This is perfect as well, but I always say we could relate the colors with the solution we have here, which means to alternate your vocabulary. Please remember, as summary for today, when you write, please try as much as possible to alternate or change your vocabulary. So please repeat with me as, because, since. Thanks for watching and see you next time.